So hello everyone, welcome to all you board regulatory bodies and a big update for IFSCA Grade A 2024 exam again. Yes, you heard it right. First we got the notification of IFSCA exam. Then after some time we all know that the vacancies were increased. Earlier 10 vacancies were there, then 5 more vacancies increased. So total vacancies 15. Now there is one more big update related to it, and that is, yes, you are getting more time for registrations. Overall, your registration dates have been extended. So this update, if you check on IFSCA website, आपको ये नहीं मिलेगा. अब तक वो update नहीं हुआ है on IFSCA website. But yes, on IBPS this link for IFSCA February 2024, इस link पे अगर आप जाते हो, you can get this link in our description also of this video. You can go and check it out. आप देख सकते हो that commencement of online registration applications, earlier it was on 28/03/2024 but now it is again reopened. इसका मतलब पहले जो आपको registration time मिला था, again IFSC has opened it. The reason would be that of course looking at the number of the students who have applied for the position of grade A posts, I think IFSC has opened it again so that it may give a second chance for the students to apply. So अब ये reopening date, what is the time you are getting to register? Simple, from 6th of June to 14th of June 2024. So you are getting a very good brief time. Now not only that, commencement of online registration and closure of the registration, this has been extended, and as this gets extended, overall editing the application details, last date of printing your application and online fee payment also, this also has been extended. Overall, all the dates you can see, remember this particular date, that is 14th of June 2024, these are the extended dates. So there was so much of updates from IFSCA. पहले इन्होंने सीट्स अपनी जो भी थी वैकेंसीज उसको इंक्रीज कर लिया, फिर उन्होंने फिर से आपके लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन टाइमिंग्स ड्यूरेशंस ओपन कर दिए, और सो नाउ यू आर गेटिंग ओवरऑल registration time of almost, if you see, 8 to 10 days extra, that is from 6th of June to 14th of June. Okay, so if you have not filled the form, by any chance you were not able to fill the form, this is a really good opportunity. If you look at IFSCA exam, the exam lies right between the SEBI grade A preparation as well as RBI grade B preparation. If you are any of the one aspirant जो कि RBI grade B exam दे रहा है 2024 या फिर SEBI grade A 2024 exam दे रहा है, then definitely now is your chance कि आप साथ ही में IFSCA exam भी दे सकते हो. If you are that student that if you are preparing for maybe just RBI grade B, if you have all the things to prepare for RBI grade B, but if you are finding resources for IFSCA, that is the other part. अगर आप SEBI के भी एक aspirant हो, you are preparing well for SEBI, but you don't know how to prepare for IFSCA, then that is the other part which I can give you the answer right now. So if you are a student who has not filled the form just because you don't know about the exam and you didn't even know that if you are preparing for RBI and SEBI, then almost half of the work has been already done. अगर आप आरबीआई का प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो या फिर सेबी के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो, आपका 50-40% सिलेबस तो आईएफएससी का आपने ऑलरेडी कवर किया है. लेट मी शो यू हाउ. सो एज at all you board regulatory bodies, you already would be knowing that we have launched 2 of the courses for IFSCA. If you go here in all of our courses for RBI, SEBI, and then you could see IFSCA 2 courses. If you go for IFSCA exam, I have made various videos also related to IFSCA exam, the syllabus. Overall syllabus, if you are looking at, then almost 60 to 70% overlap is there of SEBI syllabus. The difference is minor. SEBI में कंपनीज लॉ या कंपनीज एक्ट होता है, IFSCA में वो नहीं होता है. एडिशनल टॉपिक्स लाइक IFSCA रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स, पेंशन, उसके बाद कैपिटल मार्केट्स एंड बैंकिंग रिलेटेड टॉपिक्स, ये थोड़े से एक्सेस टॉपिक्स है जो IFSCA में आते हैं. इफ यू आर दैट स्टूडेंट हु इज ऑलरेडी प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर RBI ग्रेड बी, द जर्नी इज गोइंग ऑन. SEBI grade A also you are preparing and you don't have any doubts in it, but for IFSCA, if you are looking out for resources, this is one of the course you can definitely go for. In this particular IFSCA course, we are covering 150 plus video lectures. Okay, some of the lectures are live and some also are recorded. These we are covering economic and social development, almost similar to ESI of RBI and SEBI. Then commerce and accountancy, SEBI, management, SEBI, finance, SEBI, costing, and then important excessive chapters जो कि SEBI में नहीं है, बस IFSCA में है, What are these? IFSCA Act, GIFT City, 5-year plans, banking, capital market, insurance, pension. These are Axis topics. These everything will be covering in all of our video lecture sessions. Apart from that, special sessions for English answer writing also, essay pressy के लिए. Then sectional mock tests, full length mock test as well as topic wise tests also are available, and notes, detailed notes of all these topics also are covered in this IFSCA course. So I think if you are a student who is looking for an overall complete preparation for IFSCA, considering that already you are an RBI grade B or SEBI aspirant, and even if you are new to regulatory bodies and if you think that I want to give a shot for a regulatory bodies exam, maybe not RBI or SEBI because they are tough, then you can definitely go for IFSCA exam. Seats बहुत कम है, but everybody is thinking like that, so it can be an opportunity. Considering that vacancies were increased and here the extension has been given 100%, that most of the students IFSC was expecting कि इतने लोग apply करेंगे, उन्होंने किया नहीं है उतना. So it is a hidden opportunity. Second thing is, if you are a student who doesn't need video lectures but only needs just content, just notes, test, then IFSCA Learn Pack is also there, in which you will get just resources. So if you are a student who believes just in self-study, if you are confident enough you can solely ace the preparation, then even resources are very, very important, and the right resources are more than important. So with this session we will end it here. I hope that everybody understood regarding this big update. The important thing was कि अगर आप IFSCA के वेबसाइट पे जाओगे तो आपको ये बड़ा अपडेट अभी तक दिखेगा नहीं, it may update soon, but if you see for IBPS website, already here reopening dates and the extension has been already given. So this was all about it. Thank you very much and see you next time.